times I get a lot of people asking me about what they need to do once they import a media, whether video, audio, or even a picture into Adobe Premiere Pro. And today I'm going to show you guys what you need to do once you have your media being imported. But before I start, please ensure you subscribe and then share this video to anybody out there to watch it here. And don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. My name is Manuel and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as I said in the introduction, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do once you have your media. This is where you get a chance to import the media. Once you double click here, it will take you to where you can select your media from. So in case you have it here, you can select whether it's a picture, an MP3 or even MP4 to bring or import it to Adobe Premiere Pro. So here is an example of how it's done. You just select any of them, you can highlight, you click import, and then the files will be imported as you all see it over here. So I have this video here. Let me delete this one for more space. I have this video here as an example for us to do or to work with. You may have to double click by double clicking this small icon over here for it to show here, and you can work with it. So this is how the video is. It is a 7-minute video and it is going to serve as an example for us in today's lesson. So most times a lot of people will try to work on their videos on their cameras or their phone before they will bring it into Adobe Premiere Pro. What I'm trying to say is that they try to cut out the unwanted parts or the unimportant parts from the video, and then they get the main content where there's no behind the scenes or there's no preparations for pre-recording. But with this video, we have sessions where there was a preparation done or a countdown before the main video was recorded. So you can see that the main content starts from somewhere around this place and then end here somewhere around this place. So what I'm going to show you guys is we may have to cut out some parts for us to work with this work that we are trying to do. So we may work with any of these or almost everything over here before we can get the perfect work and then take it to our sequence place where we are going to talk about in our next video. So the first one I want to talk about is this icon or button we see over here, Mark In, and a shortcut I. The Mark In help you to select or mark in a portion of a media, whether video or an audio. So with our tutorial, we only need this part to this part. So what we are going to do is that you drag this blue line here to the part you want. So let's go for this part, and then you click on the Mark In, which means that it is cutting or starting from that point. So immediately you click on Mark In, it highlights the other places white, which means that wherever you end it and you click the Mark Out, which is the next one, it is going to select only that portion for you. So this is just a Mark In and then the Mark Out. So with this video we only need here to this part. So I'm going to click the Mark Out to get what I want to do or use my work for. The next one is Go to In, and the Go to In grants users access to start a video or go back at the beginning of a video. So let's check this out. Once I click it, it's going to go back or start from the starting point again, and boom, we have it coming here again. So there's no need of going to drag or push back any button. You just have to be at any point. You click the Go to In and then it starts freshly for you. The next one is a step back one frame, which is also similar to Go to In, but this one it goes back the frame. So we can bring the mouse here as well. We click on the step back one frame and then it keeps going back. This is also the play and the stop toggle button where you used to play or pause any of your videos. You can also use the space bar as well. to play and pause any video that you are working with or any content that you are working with. This is also the step 1 forward, and then we also have the go to out. So this is things that you're going to work with once you bring your video to this part. So basically, once you import your video, the next thing is to bring it to this part by double clicking. To bring it to this part, you use the mark in and the mark out to select your wanted part, and then you leave out the unimportant part or the unwanted part away. And then you have to go about by dragging the video or only the video or only the audio onto the sequence panel. So what you are going to do is, in case you want only the video for your next work, you may have to click or drag only video or drag video only by putting your mouse or the cursor on this film icon you see over here. You just hold or you left click and then you drag it to the sequence panel. So once you drag it to the sequence panel, you get only the video from this part. As I said earlier on, we only highlighted only the video part, which means that you are only going to get the video at the sequence panel. You can press Ctrl Z or Command Z to go back. Let's say we only want the audio from this content. We hold from this icon over here, drag, and then we drop only the audio for this content. And now let's go back again and bring only the audio from this content. So you can see it's showing the audio icon where you get a chance to see or hear only the audio from this video. The final one is to drag both the audio and the video to the sequence panel, and this is very easy and simple, the same step as we used for the first two. So you highlight or you hold and drag the whole thing here, and you have your video at the top and then the audio beneath. So this is very simple and easy to do, just that you may have to practice and rewatch the video several times depending on whoever you are before you can get this one. So this is basically what you have to do or you need to do once you import a media into Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video will help a beginner out there, and don't panic, just rewatch until you get the perfect outcome of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. The name is Manuel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.